Welcome to Term 5, Lesson 4. How do we substitute values into expressions involving powers and roots? Start a question. Start the questions on the front there on the screen. You'd like to pause now and press play when you're ready and you got yourself an answer. So, Tommy says that when x equals 5, 2x squared equals 100. This is because 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 squared is 100. Now, William says that when x is 5, 2x squared is actually equals to 50. This is because 5 squared is 25 and 2 lots of 25 is 50. Use the diagrams to work out the above who is right and who is wrong. So, if we go up here, we've got a square, and here we've got two squares. Here we've got a square, x times x is x squared, and 2 lots of x squared is 2x squared. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 is 50. 5 plus 5 is 10. Times by 5 is 50. So William's correct, and unfortunately, Tom is wrong. Some more questions for you. Pause the video, work out the answers. When you're ready, press play. So, working out the question. A. 10 bracket 2x plus 4y when x is 6 and y is 3. So substitute the values into our, replace the letters for the numbers. So x is 6, y is 3. So we end with 2 times 6 plus 4 times 3. 2 times 6 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So we end up with 10 bracket 12 plus 12 close bracket. 12 plus 12 is 24. So we end up with 10 times 24. 10 times 24 is 240. B. B is 35 minus bracket b cubed minus a close bracket. A equals 2, b equals 3. Substitute the values in. 35 minus bracket b is 3, 3 cubed minus a, which is 2, close bracket. 3 cubed is 27 minus 2. So 27 minus 2 is 25. So we end with 35, take away 25. 35 take away 25 is 10. Question C. 4y minus 2 over 3 when y equals 5. So 4 times 5 minus 2 over 3. 4 times 5 is 20 minus 2 over 3. 20 take away 2 is 18. 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. D. 5a plus 2b all over a when a equals 10 and b equals 7. So substitute the values in there. 5 times 10 plus 2 times 7 all over a, which is 10. 5 times 10 is 50 plus 2 times 7 is 14 over 10. 50 plus 14 is 64 over 10. 64 divided by 10, well, we know there's 6 10s in 60, that's 6, and then there'll be 4 left over. Those 4 will be divided by the 10. Now, it's not nice to leave it like that. You really want to make sure you get actually the lowest terms. So what number goes into 4 and 10? We know that number is going to be 2. 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 goes into 5 times. So the answer is, at the moment, 6 and 2/5. Though 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, so no other number will go at those numbers then. So the answer is 6 and 2/5. D. E. A, B plus C, D all over B plus C, when A equals 6, B equals 3, C equals 1, D equals 4. So, substitute the values into A is 6, 6 times by B, which is 3, plus C, which is 1, times D, which is 4, all over B, which is 3, plus C, which is 1. Okay, go through. 6 times 3, 18, plus 1 times 4 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 18 plus 4, which is 22, over 4. 4's into 20 go 5 times. We've still got 2 left over. 2 over 4. So 2 over 4. We know a number will go to 2 and 4 is because they're both even. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes to 4 twice. So the answer there is 5.5. F. A minus B squared over A plus B squared. A equals 12, B equals 8. So, substitute values in. A is 12 minus B, which is 8, squared, over A, which is 12, B, which is 8. So adding them, squared. So 12 take away 8 is going to be 4, squared. 12 add 8, which is 20, squared. Difficult thing. 4 squared, 16. 20 squared. Go back to my 20 times 20. You know 20 times 20? It's quite easy. Some people don't know it. So multiplication. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 there, no tens. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Adding up, 0 here. 0, 0, 0, 0 there. 0, 4, 0. So the answer is 4 there and 0 there. Reading the answer through that way round. And the answer is 0, 4, 0, 0, which is 400. So 400. Now, cancelling down, we know that 2 we enter this, and in fact I know 4 we enter this, because we had 4 here, 4 we enter 20 as well. 4's into that goes 4 times, 4's into that goes 100 times, so 4 over 100. I know 4 we're going to 4 once, and 4 we're going to 100 25 times. So the answer here is 1 over 25. 1 over 25. Answer to the board is A, 240, B, 10, C, 6, D, 6.4, E, 5.5, 5.5, and F, 0.04, or 1 over 25. Question. Next questions. Right, pause the video, work out the answers, and press play when you're ready. Okay. A. Square root of x, y. When x equals 2 and y equals 8. So substitute the values in. Square root 2 times 8, or 2 times 8 is 16. So I've got the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. B. Square root A plus B, and A equals 7 and B equals 18. So substitute the values in. Square root 7 plus 18. 7 plus 18 is 25, so we have the square root of 25. Square root 25 is 5. C. Square root C minus D. C equals 12. D equals 3. So square root 12 take away 3. 12 take away 3 is 9. So square root of 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 square root E. And E equals 64. Now, if you put the values in there, 3 square root E was 64. So it'd be square root of 64 is 4, as 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. So 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equals 24. D. E. The cube root of E. When E equals 64. So the cubed root of 64. Something we've done previous lesson. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 16s are 64. So the answer is 4. F. Cubed root of FG. When F equals 4 and G equals 250. Last number. So cubed root F4 times by 250. Cubed root 3. 4 lots of 250 is 1000. Cube root 1000. What number gives 1000? 10 times 10 is 100. Times by 10 again gives us 1000. So the answer is 10. Here are the answers. So A is 4, B is 5, C is 3, D 24, E 4, and F is 10. Some more questions for you. This time, we just want the right answers, and there's some right answers, and there's some incorrect answers on there. So, pause the video, press play when you're ready, and have the answers. Okay. So, A. A is E plus bracket AD close bracket squared. So E. E for my table is 6 plus bracket A, which is 2, D, which is minus 4, times by minus 4, put the bracket squared. So 6 plus 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 squared. Minus 8 squared is minus 8 times minus 8, and minus times a minus is a plus. So 8 times 8 is 64. So 6 plus 64. So 64 plus 6 is 70. B. And I think we got 70. C. So question number 1 is C. B. A bracket C minus D squared. A we know is 2, bracket C 7 minus D, which is minus 4 squared. So in the side here, a minus and a minus makes a positive. So 7 plus 4, which is 11. 11 squared is 121. 2 lots of 121 equals 242. 242. 242. C. Question C. C plus D bracket cubed minus 2F. So C, which is 7, D, which is minus 4, plus minus 4 cubed minus 2 times F, which is 16. So 7 plus minus 4, plus and minus makes a minus, so 7 minus 4, which is 3 cubed, minus 2 times 16, which is 32. So 3 cubed, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 nines are 27, so 27 minus 32. 27 to minus 32 on the number line equals minus 5. Where's minus 5? Minus 5 is at B. B. Question D. E, F, minus 3, B, D. So E, which is 6, square root F, 16, minus 3 times B, which is minus 1, times by D, which is minus 4. 6 times square root of 16 is 4. 4 minus 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 minus 4. Thanks, dog. Good. So 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 3 times minus 4 is 12. And minus times a minus is a positive, so it becomes 12. So here, 24, take away 12 is 12. So D is 12, and that'll be an A. E. Cube root 4F minus A cubed. So cube root 4 times F. F is 16. 16 minus A, which is 2 cubed. 4 times is 64. So cube root 64 minus 2 cubed is 8. That is 4 minus 8 equals minus 4. And the answer is A. Check the answers with the mastermind. A is C, B is C, C is B, D is A, and E is A. Woohoo! Next set of questions. Pause the video, answer the questions. When you're ready, press play, and you go for the answers. A. X equals 4, Y equals 2, and Z equals minus 5. So A is 3 bracket X cubed plus Y bracket. So substitute the values in. X is 4, so 3 bracket 4 cubed plus Y, which is 2, close bracket. So 4 cubed is 4, 16, 64. So 3 bracket 64 plus 2, close bracket. 64 plus 2 is going to be 66. So 3 times 66. 3 times 66. 3 times 6 is 18. 18. 8, 9, 1. The answer is 198. B. 3x bracket x plus z. So 3 times x, x is 4, so 3 times 4 bracket 4 plus z, which is minus 5. So in the brackets first, so 4 plus minus 5, plus and minus makes a minus, so 4 take away 5 is minus 1, and 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 take away 1 equals 11. C, y squared z plus x cubed. Y is 2, so 2 squared, bracket z minus 5 plus x is 4 cubed. So here we've got 4 bracket minus 5 and 64 be 59. 59. 4 lots of 59. And I'm going to use our Napier's bones. 59 there, and 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 and 5 is 20. That'd be 6, that'd be 3, and that'd be 2. So the answer is 2, 3, 6. D. 4x bracket 3 minus z bracket plus y. Substitute the values in. 4 times 4 bracket 3 minus z, which is minus 5, close bracket, plus y, which is 2. A minus and a minus in the brackets makes a positive, so 3 plus 5 makes 8. Times by 4 times 4 is 16, and then plus 2. Multiplication before multiplication, division before addition, subtraction, so 16 times 8. 6 eighths are 48. 8 times that is 8. 8 on its own. 4 plus 8 makes 12. Go to 1. Be 1. So the answer is 128 plus 2 equals 130. Let's see what the answers are. So the first one, 198. B, minus 12. Check that one again. Let's see where you get minus 12 from. C, 236. D, 130. E, 146. F, minus 62. G, 4. H, 27. And I, 6. Reflection. Hager writes, when substituting into expressions, watch out for brackets. Hint, work out whatever is in the brackets first. Look back at the questions you've answered in this lesson. Write your own watch out for list. Write a short hint for each point in your list. Challenge. Use the value of x equals 4, y equals 9, u equals minus 6, and v equals minus 2, and write 3 expressions that give you each of these answers. 18, 24, 12, and 40. For example, x, y over 2 is one expression that gives you the answer of 18, because x over y is 4 times 9, which is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. At least one of your expressions should involve a square, and one should involve a square root. Pause the video, attempt the questions. When you're ready, press play. And here's the answers.